today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and upload a custom favicon for your website using Canva and your website dashboard. We'll begin in Canva inside a Chrome browser tab. Once Canva is open, create a new design using custom dimensions. Set the layout to a square format with a width of 512 pixels and a height of 512 pixels. This size works well because it gives you a clean, balanced canvas for a favicon while still exporting nicely for web use. Next, design a single logo mark or emblem inside that square space. Keep it bold, distinct, crisp, and minimalist. Since a favicon appears very small in a browser tab, simple shapes and strong contrast usually work best. You want the symbol to remain recognizable even when scaled down. Use solid brand colors and avoid making the design too busy. The goal here is to create a clear visual identity that represents your brand effectively in a very compact format. Once the design looks right, download the finished square graphic as a PNG with a transparent background. That transparent background is especially important because it helps the icon look clean and professional across different browsers and tab colors. Save the file to your computer so it's easy to find in your downloads or preferred storage folder. After that, switch back to the browser tab where your website's main administration dashboard is already open. From there, go into the website tools area and look for the browser icon setting. Depending on your platform, you may also be able to find it faster by using the main sidebar search box and typing in the word favicon. This is a helpful shortcut if you don't want to browse through multiple menu sections. When you reach the browser icon settings area, click the main Add Image button inside the empty square placeholder. This will open your computer's file picker. Locate the square PNG file you just created in Canva, select it, and upload it directly into the favicon field. Once the image has been added successfully, click Save in the upper left area of the page to lock in your changes. After the platform finishes updating, your new branding icon should appear in the browser tab next to your website title. This small detail makes your site look more polished, more professional, and easier for visitors to recognize when they have multiple tabs open. That's it. You've created and installed your custom favicon from start to finish.